Secretary Sunil Devratji, all the delegates from the state attending this biennial conference. On behalf of Indian Federation of Working Journalists, I congratulate you, all of you, to holding this biennial conference in Agartala. On this occasion, Indian Federation of Working Journalists General Secretary Vipin Dulia sent me on behalf of IFWJ to this conference as observer. I am observing from yesterday. Now CM has come, Labour Minister has attended, also in charge speaker also just now he spoke and went away. Now your conference is running with a grand success. For this I am congratulating all the team for making the conference a good success in this state. On this occasion, I would like to bring some of the organizational issues and Indian Federation of Working Journalists, you know better, it's a oldest and first trade union in the country. Now, the IFWJ is fighting for the journalist issues. We achieved many three wage boards, Bachawat wage board, Mansara Singh wage board, Matizia wage board. Now the central government has brought 4 boards into existence. After the existence of the 4 boards, now our wage boards have been totally abolished. So earlier we have some structure of wages. Now there is no structure of wages to the journalists. Only contract system came into existence. That's why the future generation is going to face lot of difficulties in future. No provident fund, no other facilities with the scales. That's why Indian Federation of Working Journalists demanding for the new wage board from the central government. That is to be achieved for that one. The other thing, now the media has very much expanded. Print media, electronic media, and digital media, social media, etc. We have YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all those things have come up. Without wages, the journalists are functioning. No wage. To whom we ask the wage? Managements are paying less amount of wages. How a journalist should live? Our principal avocation is journalism. But we have to depend on other profession also, because there is no income from this profession. That's why it's becoming difficult profession. The governments of state governments or central government, they are out of the 4 pillars of the democracy. The fourth pillar's media has been left over to the ideal. 3 pillars have institutions, government is allocating budget, They have some institutional staff also. But here we have All India Radio, Doordarshan, and Press Information Bureau, like that, Register of Newspaper of India. Such institutions are there. Nominally they are functioning, but they are not looking after the welfare of the journalists. That is the situation arising now. That's why we are demanding from the central government or state governments. The central government should allot budget for the journalist community or for the development of the fourth estate. There is no proper allocation in the budget. There is no welfare fund at central level. No wages, no wage boards. That is the situation. We have Press Council of India in the center. We have some media academies in some states like Kerala, Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, Haryana, like that. I don't know whether it is here or not, I don't know. You don't have media academy or press academy. Sir, that's why we should demand for the media academy in the Tripura state also. We should demand for the media academy in Tripura, and the media academy should have a budgetary allocations for the improvement of the values and for the training of the journalists. That is the main one of the demand from us. The second, the journalists are facing lot of difficulties. They don't have protection from the society. That's why we should have a act, that is Journalist Protection Act. Now we have this act in Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Delhi. The other states are not having. We are also demanding the central government to bring a national level Journalist Protection Act. But the central government is not taking this issue at central level. That is throwing it to the states only. That's why we should demand Tripura should have a Journalist Protection Act in future. I request all of you to fight for the Journalist Protection Act in your state also. The other thing, in place of Press Council of India, we should have a media commission, because earlier only print media was there. Now the media has extended to the electronic and digital era. That's why there should be a media commission at the central level. The central government, now they are not, the Press Council of India has a chairman and other body. That body, there is no body now. That is to be renewed, that is to be reappointed by the central government. Since 8-9 years it is kept idle. There is no powers to Press Council of India. That's why we are demanding that there should be a media commission in the central level. That should be, we should have a better governing body for the media commission. The other thing, now the journalists after retirement, after 58 years, the journalists anywhere in the country, they don't have any pension scheme. Earlier, some journalists who worked regularly, they would have some provident fund scheme. But the provident fund, under provident fund, minimum only very small amounts used to get the regular employees. That even after 50 years, 45 years, 30 years service is done. They are getting only 1500 salary, 1500 pension, 2000 pension, maximum 2500 pension. It's not a pension. That's why we should have a national pension. Earlier, the central government broadcasting minister Sushma Swaraj promised, BJP minister only, she promised there should be a national pension scheme to the journalists. That pension is not, the government also not taking up that issue. Now, till now, about 19 states are implementing pension scheme in various types of pension. In Kerala, they are having 13,000 pension. Madhya Pradesh giving 20,000 pension. Haryana giving 15,000 pension. Like that, here you are getting 10,000 pension. After 10 years, the journalist should have at least 25,000 rupees pension. For that one, we should demand and we should achieve it. The other thing, health problems. Health is a major problem to the journalists because they will go for profession in the areas wherever requirement is there. There, the people offer many things. We eat street foods, we eat tea, uneven teas, we will eat. Even sometimes some people offer drinks, we will drink. For that, our health will collapse very early. People will die very early. Example I will tell you, during the corona period, many people have died, journalist people. No facilities, families, very deteriorating situations. How the children will live, that is the problem we are facing. That's why we are demanding for the who dies due to various reasons. Journalist family should give at least 10 lakhs rupees ex gratia to the families who are affected. We should demand for that one. In our state, Telangana, we have some facilities. We have welfare fund. We have 42 lakhs welfare fund is there. 42 crores welfare fund is there now. We have media academy is there. And if any journalist dies, now only meager amount they are paying. If any journalist dies, they are paying 1 lakh rupees and the family will be given 5,000 pension for 5 years. The 2 children up to 10th class will be given free education. That is being implemented. In corona period, about 600 people affected from the corona. Many journalists have died. The affected people have given each 20,000 rupees from the welfare fund. The state government is allocating 100 crores budget from the state budget. Every year it is allocating 100 crores for the journalist community issues, for maintaining media academy and the health issues like that. And we have health cards also. If any journalist got ill health, they can go to the hospital, government institution, Nizam Institute of Medical Sciences is there, All India Institute of Medical Sciences is there. We will get health facility from the government. We have given health cards, free health facility will be extended. We are demanding all the corporate hospital, it should be extended to the journalists. That we should demand. You should also have a health card here. A free health card should be given to the journalists so that their families and children will be get the treatment, etc. The other thing, education, relating to education, the journalist family, children are not getting educational facilities. That's why in Telangana, we are getting 50% concession from the education department in private schools. Government schools we have even free education, but we are asking for the free education. Now they are giving 50% concession in private schools. Here also you should demand from the government to give free education to the journalist children. With these few words, our President has given time. I hope the IFWJ is regularly conducting national level meetings in various states. You can also attend those meetings. National council meetings will be held. In future, we are going to have a national level meeting. Our president to be elected, because Vikram Rao was the president, he died. Now new president will be elected soon. Shortly we will have a meeting in Ayodhya. There we may elect new president. This is the thing. I hope you are running this organization in a good manner. You should unite and fight for the cause of the journalist community, and it should be strengthened further and should increase your membership. With these few words, I am taking leave. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Anandam Puli Palupula, Secretary IFWJ. You.